Hello and welcome to the Tourism Level 3 JJC presentation. Your journey starts here. My name is Ms Shannon Hughes and I will be responsible for taking you on a journey through your studies over years 12 and 13 while completing this course. The JJC Level 3 Tourism Qualification for Wales is designed to provide you with the basic knowledge, understanding and skills associated with tourism organisations and activities. The qualification will provide a broad foundation for further or higher education for progression into the world of work. The Applied Certificate in Tourism enables you to gain essential employability skills that are valued by employers, further and higher education establishments. These skills include literacy and numeracy skills, digital skills, critical thinking and problem solving, planning and organisation, creativity and innovation, and personal effectiveness. So, let's take a look at what you will study across the course. Across the qualification, there are 4 units. In Year 12, there's Units 1 and 2, and in Year 13, there's Units 3 and 4. Units 1 and 3 require an external examination which will be completed at the end of the year, and Units 2 and 4 are coursework units which will be internally assessed. Unit 1, the United Kingdom Tourism Project. In this unit, you will study why so many tourists are attracted to the UK. We will answer the questions: how have these destinations changed over time? How is the UK competing with other countries? And we will also study employment options in the UK in the tourism industry and what the future holds for tourism destinations. This unit will include an external examination at the end of Year 12 in May and will last 1 hour 30 minutes with 75 marks available. It will also equate to 25% of the full qualification at the end of Year 13. Unit 2, Worldwide Tourism Destinations. In this unit, you will build on your knowledge and understanding of Unit 1 and investigate what factors cause people to travel, whilst also studying short distance and other long distance destinations and how they are reached by tourists. You will create a coursework project that investigates one short distance destination, for example Nice in France, and one long distance destination, for example New York. Finally, you will create a marketing campaign for a location of your choice. This unit will be internally assessed and therefore is a coursework element completed at the beginning of the year, which accounts for 25% of the marks with 100 marks available. Unit 3, the Dynamic Tourism Industry. In this unit, you will consider how the tourism industry deals with external pressures, which include environmental factors such as natural disasters, economic factors such as lifestyle changes and development, and political events such as country travel policies and rules. You will also learn how destinations respond to these external pressures for future development. Similarly to Unit 1, this unit will consist of an external examination at the end of Year 13 and will last 1 hour 30 minutes with 75 marks available. It also equates to 25% of the final qualification. Unit 4, Event and Itinerary Planning. In this unit, you will apply skills and knowledge developed in Units 1, 2 and 3. Task 1 will require you to create an itinerary, which is a plan of holidays and activities and a specific budget for a specific scenario. Task 2 will require you to arrange a visit to a destination as an educational trip. Again, similarly to Unit 2, this will be internally assessed as a coursework element, and there will be 100 marks available, and again it equates to 25% of the course. Finally, you may now be considering why should you choose tourism. Well, firstly, it's an entirely new course to what you would have studied in GCSE. It requires no prior knowledge, and therefore at the start of Year 12, everyone begins at the same position. In addition to this, as it's a completely new course to what you would have studied at GCSE, it will gain your interest as it's also a contemporary, exciting and interesting course which is forever changing in accordance with the global travel habits. It may also be used as a third subject to gain access into university, whether that would be to study a tourism-related degree or to get access to other subjects. Finally, you need to also consider what careers and opportunities the tourism qualification may offer you. The jobs include an airline pilot, cabin crew, travel agent, hotel management, hotel operator, event management, or a job with the local council tourism department, and many more. Therefore, the tourism qualification can open many doors to your future. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll be more than ready to answer.